If you have a thirst of knowledge like me, then you are the person this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Student Science Lab, and today we are going to talk about 10 amazing facts that will make you open mouth. So without waiting anymore, let's get started. Please watch the video till end because every moment is surprising for you. Fact number 1. Until the 18th century, the only diamond mines were in India. I think it means in that time India was the richest country in the world. Actually, it could. Fact number 2. If left in dark, goldfish will eventually turn white. I have also 2 goldfishes, but I never noticed. Fact number 3. African lungfish survive without water for several months. Fact number 4. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. Fact number 5. Bill Gates started programming computer at the age of 13. It's unbelievable. Fact number 6. Newton invented cat door. But we all know that he had a dog named Diamond. Fact number 7. Einstein never knew how to drive a car. Oh what? I also don't know how to drive a car. Have you ever wanted to know the name of the space between your 2 eyebrows? Here. It's called clavella. Fact number 9. Leonardo da Vinci invented scissors, which he used to cut papers and clothes, and sometimes breads also. Fact number 10. Before eraser, bread was used to erase pencil marks. But how is this possible? If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And thank you for watching the video. I will be back with more new amazing facts. So, bye!